Can you make your lips stick out?
Blow. That's better. I'd like this side. I'll have my cake off this side, please.
Yay! Say 1,
1,
2,
2,
3.
3.
Blow. Good.
1.
Good job. Can you give me 5? Good job.
Can you say happy birthday?
Okay,
Lila,
should we
can you
cut
say
some?
Wow.
Lila, can you say happy birthday?
Do you want to lick the
Yeah.
candles?
Ooh,
well,
don't
There's
eat
not much
it.
on there. I'm licking, Mom.
That's
I thought you were
great.
putting it back.
Oh.
No.
Here's a little candy. Oh, what's Grandpa got? Bite. Oh.
Ooh, don't bite. Is that good?
Ooh, Grandpa found the frosting.